AI can record meetings. It can capture every word that was said during your meeting. It can take the debate, the discussion, the conversation, and the dialogue, and it can summarize everything within seconds. But minutes aren't summaries, and they're not transcripts. So watch this video for the 5 things that you need to know about AI and minutes so that you can use this tool thoughtfully without compromising judgment, neutrality, and accountability. All right, let's jump in. Item number 1. Minutes record what was decided, not what was discussed. The minutes are a record that a properly called meeting took place. They record the where, the when, and the who, which is especially important to determine whether quorum was present. And they document actions, motions, votes, and outcomes. Minutes reflect compliance with not only your parliamentary authority, but also your governing bylaws. And they are a record of decisions. They're not a record of debate. They're not summaries of discussions. And they certainly are not commentary. One way to remember is this. If it wasn't adopted, amended, referred, postponed, or defeated, then it probably doesn't belong in the minutes. Number 2, AI can be a useful tool, but it is not the record. AI excels at transcription, indexing, summarizing discussion, and it can help you locate motions and verify the wording that took place. But a draft produced by artificial intelligence is not the official record, not until a human reviews it and approves it. AI can help gather the material and aid in accuracy, but it cannot author the final record. Item number 3, if you decide to use AI, make conscious decisions first. Inform participants that AI is being used and obtain consent when it's required. Protect confidentiality and privileged information at all times. And before you use AI or choose to start using it, set the rules around storage, retention, deletion, and tool selection far before you press the record button. If you don't design the boundaries first, the technology will design them for you. Item number 4. The official record requires human judgment and neutrality. Somebody must decide what belongs in the record, and just as importantly, what does not belong in the record. Minutes require neutrality in both tone and framing, and it's the parliamentary standards and the understanding of the parliamentary standards that govern and guide what is included, how corrections happen, and finally, how approvals happen. And don't forget, this is one of the reasons why this channel exists, to help you understand what these parliamentary standards are and how they govern things like meeting minutes. And finally, number 5, accountability must be personal and explicit. Someone must sign off on the minutes. They have to be able to say, this is the record. Responsibility, it cannot be delegated to a machine or to technology. Because remember, if no one stands behind the record, then you don't have a record. You don't have an official record. What you have is a summary. Meeting adjourned for this episode of Order of Business. If you found this interesting or helpful, please hit the like button and remember to drop any questions that you might have down in the comment section. If you're looking for deeper dives into specific motions or stories on the historic development of parliamentary procedure, why not check out a video in the Parliamentary Inquiry series? For longer conversations around questions related to meetings and meeting rules, check out the Point of Order series. And for insights into how to make your meetings more effective, go to the series Monthly Grind. For now, why not check out one of these two videos here or here, and I will see you next time.